it will be like this. When I say hep hep, you will respond to ring. Hep hep. Hooray! At the back say hep hep. Hooray! All together say hep hep. Hooray! Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Once again, good evening to each and everyone. Welcome to the gender reveal and baby shower honoring our lovely couple for tonight, no other than Jeff and Patricia Buhian. By the way, my name is Jose Stanley and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. Feel at ease and let's enjoy this evening. At this point, I would like to acknowledge all our guests, especially to our cute little kids wearing their dashing and wonderful outfit. You look all handsome and beautiful with our theme, pink and blue. A round of applause. At this point, I would like to welcome you here in the Apple Residence here in Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited to meet and witness the Buhian family on the grand entrance? Say yes if you're ready. Yes! I cannot hear you. Say yes if you're ready. Yes! Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, let us all rise. Let us all stand up. Lahat na po tayo magsitayuan. And without further ado, please help me to welcome the Buhian couple together with Papa Jeff, Mama Patricia on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. What a beautiful couple we have here for tonight. Papa Jeff and Mama Patricia on the house. Hooray! Hooray! Parang ganado si Sir. Can you give a few words to all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event? Opening remarks. Alright, everyone, let's all settle down.
Thank you so much for coming tonight in our special event. Hopefully you will stay happy and masaya na.
How about for Mama Patricia? You look so fantastic for the delegation. Who is your inspiration behind those pretty looks?
Of course, my husband.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for this beautiful couple we have here tonight, Papa Jeff and Mama Patricia on the house. Ladies and gentlemen, before we officially start our program, let us feel the presence of our mighty God amidst us through a prayer to be led by Mom Jean.
Let's all bow our head and feel the presence of Heavenly Father. Our Father in heaven, as we gather to celebrate this joyous occasion, we thank you for the life, or the gift of new life. We ask your blessing upon this child. May they grow in love, happiness, and health. We look forward to the reveal of their gender, knowing that every creation is unique and special in your eyes. Surround this family with love and support, and may this day be filled with laughter, joy, and cherished moments. In the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Thank you so much, Mom Jean, for that wonderful prayer. And may I request all the participants and guests, please all settle down. Please all be seated. Magkaroon lang muna tayo ng konting recap sa mga ginawa natin a while ago. We have here the casting board wherein we have the blue sticky notes and pink sticky notes. Our guests already stick their names here on this portion. For the boys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, for their guests, for the group gender, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Afterwards, ladies and gentlemen, we will find out what will be the gender of their baby. Will it be a boy or a girl? Will it be he or she? We will find out afterwards. Ano ang guess nila? Ano ang choice nila? Is it he or she? Will it be a boy or a girl for the Buhian couple? Shout your choice. I cannot hear you. What is your choice? Is it a girl or a boy? Shout your choice. Don't you worry, ladies and gentlemen, because afterwards, before we end our program, we will find out what will be the gender of their baby. If your answer is correct, you will be a prize. Courtesy from Buhian, Sir Jeff, and Mom Patricia. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have our dinner time on that side for our buffet area. And then afterwards, we're gonna resume our program. Let's enjoy for tonight. Thank you so much. First table. Ay,
Hi, let's eat.
Then as usual program, we're going to have our fun power games for the gender reveal and baby shower honoring our lovely couple, Patricia and Kuya Jeff, around the box. And for our first game will be entitled Scoop the Cotton Ball. Paramihan ng mga scoop na cotton ball dito at nililipat dito sa play. So meron tayong two teams, boys and girls, team blue and team pink. Ngayon magkakaroon sila ng privilege na 30 seconds each player. Tapos after nun, ipapasa or yung next player ulit. Alright, boys and girls, are you ready?
Let's get it done.
Alam niyo na lang paano gawin?
Yes.
Alright, for our first game is scoop the cotton ball in my counting from 3 to 1. Get ready from 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. 1 point. Okay. Ngayon sa ngayon, merong 1 point ang boys. 1-0. 1-0. Karamihan na po isa. Ngayon, 1-0 na yun ngayon. Kailangan hindi nakikita ha. Honesty is the best policy. Maging honest tayo. Dapat hindi nakikita. Magbibilang tayo, kuya ha. For our second player. Ready na ba kayo? Yes! Kung ready na kayo, you will start from 3, 2, 1, go! Hoy! Isang kamay lang gagamitin. Once na-blend na tayo. Hindi ka lang kamay. Sige. Ako na, discarding na lang ako na yan. Okay, second player. Bibigyan natin ng chance si Faye. Kuya Son, get ready. You will start from 3, 2, 1, go. Sa kamay lang. Ano na ito? Naku, parang Kailangan bigyan yung best nyo, ladies, girls. So ngayon, kulela yung girls natin. Bakit ba kayo maging kulela? No, syempre. May tanong ako sa inyo. Who runs the world?
Girls!
Hindi alam.
Hoy! Sabi niya, ako daw eh.
Siya ko lang na puno ng Emerson. Okay, third player. Get ready on your position. Michael and Kate. Tama ba?
Tama.
Michael and Kate, are you ready? Get ready for my counting from 3, 2, 1, go! Saan ilang disqualify kasama ha? I-disqualify natin yung lapit ng dalawa kamay. Ako pa rin ako mga kanila natin ha. Kaya na lang yung mga Financial pa na. May coach pala dito sa gitna. Sa gilid. O sige, ganito. Para maging ano naman tayo, para maging ano tayo, fair, bigyan natin ng points. 2-1 na tayo ngayon. Bigyan natin ng chance. 2-1. Hindi, bigyan mo ng chance. Wala na! Ayun, bigyan ng girls. Bigyan natin ng chance yung girls. 2-1. Oo, 2-1. Tablay, parang tablay. Hindi gusto ko yung bigyan ng points eh. Para medyo fair kayo, para fair. Ako mas challenging. Bakit na talaga yung ating last player, Luigi? Hindi ka na pala sa pagkakas pala si Roldan. O, pakicheck na lang yung mga blindfold nila kung talagang last na lang kay kids. O, please. Nako. Gladys, Reggie. Okay ka na talaga. Roldan and Gladys, our last player for the scoop, the balloon game. Are you ready? Wala narinig. Yes ka na. Gladys and Roldan, are you ready? In my counting, start the scooping from 3 and 2 and 1, go.
Grabe lang yung mga sarap yun.
Ay, ang dami na na-scoop na ni Gladys. Ay, talaga si Gladys. Si Mexico. Palaban. Palaban si Gladys. Palaban. Palaban si Gladys. Palaban si Gladys. Ano tayo? Tiebreaker dito ah. Tiebreaker tayo. Tiebreaker yata tayo ngayon na. Ngayon ang gagawin ako, ang consequence ko. Magbibilang ngayon kayo. Kailangan yung bilangin. Magbibilang ba tayo? Or ano ba? Gusto mo magbilang tayo? Sino na? Girls? So, 2. Both are 2 points. So, magkaroon tayo ng tiebreaker. Ngayon ang magta-tiebreaker agad sa Luigi.
Hindi, yung mag-asawa. Yung mag-asawang katrade.
Ay, mag-asawa pala! Si Jen! Sige na! Since you're ang aking couple, we're honoring for the love of couple, Jeff and Patricia. We will be our last player. We will find out who will be our winner. Will be a team boys or team girls? Sige ako lang. Bibilangin natin. Bibilangin. Since kayo yung last player, kayo hindi yung bibilang. Char. Yung witness, counting, kailan kayo sila lagi, alam si babae. Magbibilang na tayo, kailan tayo ha? Ang galing ng pangyayari. Sino nanalo? Sino marami? Ang girls! Oh my God, congratulations! Ladies, our girls, you won our first game and that was going to be the bottom ball game. Now my question is, who run the world? Who run the world? Ayun na nga, congratulations. Bigyan na ng prize yan. 3 and 2, 1, go! The first. Sino una? Sino na una? Sino na una? Uy! Kailangan kandungin! Kailangan kandungin! Kailangan kandungin! Sumaktaan mo yan! Kailangan kandungin! Sino na una? Umusin niyo yan! Sino? Sino? Sino manalo? Ang galing si Nitse! Panalo na si Nitse! Oh my God! Hindi talaga magaling sila sa Nitse. Ang tanong, magaling ka ba sa Nitse? Okay! Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate our winner. What's your good name, sir? Mark, congratulations. What's your first name? What's your good name? Jason and Mark, congratulations. You are our winner for the Flipping the Game game. Palakpakan naman dyan. Receive your prizes. Picture muna tayo, picture muna tayo. Tapos sige mga na chupan nyo. Chupan ba nyo? Titing pa ito. Ladies and gentlemen, for our third game, clarification na yung second game entitled Sakit Baby Game. Ngayon, ang third game will be entitled Feeding the Baby. Okay? Na-switch ko lang. Ngayon, promo game ulit ito. Kaya mga Luigi and Gladys. Gladys and Luigi. Ano ba si Luigi? Ay, parang din siya. Ako yan. Yung mga dalawang nakagalit, sabi na kayo.
Ako pa rin, natali ako.
O, saan na kayo? Kuya Jeff, ay sumali. Kuya Jeff, yung ka-eagles mo, pasalamahin mo sila para masaya. Mamaya na. Ladies, our players, are you ready for our next game? Feeding the Baby? Yes! But before that, I will explain you the mechanics. Please listen carefully. So we have here, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, a pair, 5 pairs, or 5 couples, 5 pairs pala, 5 pairs, for our game, Feeding the Baby game. What you're going to do, yung mga nasa likuran ang magpapakain. Ngayon, sila ay naka-blindfold. Yun yung twist ng aking game. Halika mo, excuse me, 3, and 2, and 1, go! Bilisan nyo, sino nangunguna dyan? Kuya Bart, lapit ka! Yung mga emotions nila, buwanan mo. Buwanan mo yung mga emotions. Sino mo mabilis kumain na lang? Si Ronda yung nangunguna. Gutom ka, Beshi? Gutom yata yung Beshi ko. Ay, parang ito naman, mga dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang ito lumaking. Sino nalo? Boss, pakicheck na kung simot ba? Kung simot, pakicheck.
Meron pa.
Kailangan simot. Simot. Kailangan i-check niya kung simot. Wala. Meron to sa gilid ka lang. Nanalo yan ang second player. Nanalo si Michael. Congratulations.
Pwede ba yun yung price? Alam, may second pa ng kaya mo. Anong kulay mo? No! No! Dapat may second prize. May second prize na rin. Pagbigyan mo lang.
Hindi ka na ng prize. May consolation yung congratulations. Picture muna tayo. Kuya Jen. Boys, listen carefully for the guys of this game entitled Balloon Delivery. Wherein you'll be able to experience how to do the labor and delivery of your own baby, which symbolize process, nagpapakilala natin sa balloon. You're going to experience on how to do labor and do a delivery for a baby using this balloon. Ngayon, boys, first, you need to put your balloons under your shirt. Sige, lagyan niyo muna yung mga balloons under your shirt. Ito muna ay trial. Ngayon, I'm gonna give you a chance, a technique kung paano mag-deliver ng balloon. First, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Jump. Twist. Twist.
Twist! Ganon!
Di ba, tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong, twist naman? Twist ba yan? Twist ba yan? Shake. Shake. Shake your body. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Igalaw. Ang gatuan. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Shake. Body, body, dansa. Isayaw. Ang gatuan. Ito na talaga. Do whatever you can do. Kung ano maging technique ninyo, gawin ninyo, okay? Do the best you can, boys, for this game. Okay, bring out all your phones for our next game. Will be entitled Balloon Delivery with our players, the boys. Who run the world? Boys! Who run the world? Boys! Ready na kayo? Kung ready na kayo, you're gonna deliver that balloon out from that shirt and be the first. Once you're done, just raise your hands. You can do whatever you can do. Kung gusto yung kung ano yung mga gagawa niyo para may deliver niya, gawin niyo. Do the best as you can. Tanong ko ulit. Boys, who run the world?
Boys!
Who run the world?
Boys!
Are you ready for the balloon delivery game? Say yes, warm water.
Yes!
Ulit. Say yes if you're ready. Ayun yung energy. Boys, balloon delivery. We're gonna do the balloon delivery from 3 and 2 and 1. Go! Ay, lumas kayo alam. Lumas siya, no? Pero ginanong-ganon niya. Nakita niyo? Siya winner. Siya pag-winner.
Wala, testing lang, testing! Trial!
Pag-isiksik ng maigi, ha? Pag-isiksik ng maigi kasi parang iba kasi parang nakikita yung balloon eh. Kailangan medyo taas. Medyo taas. Pakitaas. Kaya pa ba? Pakitaas. Hindi na kaya.
Kahit ganun ko ito.
Ito talaga, ito yung gagawin niyo, yung mga hands niyo on your back, please. Ganun na lang kasi parang nangyari yung mga ganun sa puno. Gumagano. Parang gusto nyo sumayaw. Asa your head, ha? Parang ganun. Okay, boys. Line up. From the line. And in my counting, start the balloon delivery from 3 and 2 and 1. Come on. Oh, yung mga kamay nila sa daran. Ang galing. Congratulations to all of them. Wala kayo nakakatawa. Wala kayo nakakatawa.
Nanalo din!
Uy, nakalabas na yung ulo, disqualified. Congratulations to all done. Yay! Oh my God! Yay! And anong honor mo? Blue! No. Lahat ba nag-enjoy?
Yes!
Anong color kayo?
Pink!
Yeah. Anong color kayo? Pink or blue?
Blue!
Pakinggan boy or girl?
Blue!
Parang walang energy. What is your choice and guess? Pink or blue? Ayun, teacher tayo.
1, 2.
To the gender revelation. What is your choice or guess? He or she? Shout your choice. Boy or girl? Shout your choice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the right time for the gender revelation. We're gonna find out what will be the gender for Mr. and Mrs. Boogie Ann, Jeff, and Patricia. Trisha, in my counting, lahat tayo magsigawan at maghiyawan and do the pin of the balloon. From 3, lakasan yung music. And 2, sabay-sabay. And 1.
It's a girl! Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations! It's a girl!
Sir, congrats. Congrats, sir.
And Matisha is a girl! Congratulations! For your first TV, it's a girl!
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, pupunutin natin ang maswerteng nanalo para sa gender, which is the girl. Sinong bumalo para sa girl? Raise your hands. Sino bumalo sa girls? May maswerte kung sino yung mapupunot siya yung maswerteng mananalo because you'll be given a prize. Main prize, grand prize, courtesy prize, Lumian family, which is gift certificate, trip to Korea. Sure ba? Ano yung anong grand prize ba yan? Makakuhain siya, okay. Anyway, we're gonna do the draw ang tawag dito. O yun. Drawlats. Double draw ngayon tayo. Ngayon, pakihalo ng maigi.
Uy, nahulog.
Ngayon, Mami or Mama Patricia, ikaw naman bubulot sino yung maswerteng nanalo. Nakapag-choose ng girl gender. Come on, good honor.
Pigit ka. Okay na?
Sige. Sino yung nanalo?
Dalawa isa.
Okay, si girl, this girl's on fire na.
Okay.
This girl on fire. Sino kayo maswerteng nanalo?
Okay, kay Lisa.
And sino kaya nakapag-choose, I mean, yung nag-choose ng girl tapos nanalo kaya? Sino kaya?
Pangalan.
Our lucky winner, the lucky name is no other than, please come forward, James and MJ. Ay my God! Oh my God! Maserte kayo! Oo, ang isa sa akin. Si Charot lang. Congratulations! Yay! from the colleagues and friends of our lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Buhet, Jeff and Patricia. As I call your name, please come here and impart your wish and message. First of all, Kamunaan Mr. Ram, wish and message for the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Buhet. A round of applause.
Para nakakalata na sa ano.
Lagi na muna.
Para nakakalata ako dito sa...
Lagi na muna. Siyempre, idol nila yun.
Pinabaon nito eh.
Idol kita.
Wish ko lang sa inyo, first of all, congratulations sa inyo dalawa. Wish ko lang sana malusog ang baby niyo. Then, if you need advice from co-parents like us, so you can call us anytime.
Yay! Kasi benefit mo lang sa sir. Benefit na lang sa no?
Benefit na lang ito.
Anytime daw, anytime.
Receive cash.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Raul Emerson, for that wonderful couple message on our lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Bugan, Jeff and Patricia. Now, moving on, may we call here in front Luigi, around the box. Siyempre, bakit?
Good evening. Congrats, Jeff. Anything na may kailangan kayo sa amin, guys,
Sure.
just text or PM lang. And good luck sa parent group. And alam ko kung may kayo sa iyo sa ngayon. Pero kung sa ibang bagay, PM lang.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Luigi, for that very inspiring message. Anyway, maybe now also here in front, let's put our skill for Sir Michael.
Thank you for doing that.
Wish ko lang na sana maging mabilis lang yung delivery. Tapos normal. And healthy yung baby. Ayun, hintayin natin na yung delivery. And ganito lang kami. Kung ano yung kailangan sa tila.
Ay, kasi kailangan ko, sir. Kailangan sila. Alright, that was once again Sir Michael from the BMG family. May we have also here in front ang nag-iisang Guapito Chinito ng Mandaluyong. Ni Alan. Hindi ka ng Mandaluyong. Talaga ba? Sure ka? Sige mo ha. I love you too. Sige mo yan. Mag-finish ka ha? Mag-finish ka. Magbigay para magbigay. Alright, thank you so much Kuya Alan. Sana napakakamis mo mensahe para sa ating couple for tonight. Magpapahuli, bigyan naman natin ng matamis, mangmasigaw palapahan, no other than Sir Roman. Ay, parang natural ka siya. Parang natural ka. Yes. Ano mga yan mo?
Parang nasabi na nila. Sana si baby magdala ng walang hanggan ka sa di mahalat talaga niya sa pamilya niyo. Si baby rin ay sila ikuha po at her parents. Ako. Thank you. Ganda talaga.
Thank you so much. Meron ba? Sir Roman, para sa iyo matamis na mensahe sa akin. Ito na talaga. Bigyan naman natin ng spot dito sa harapan. Ang nag-iisang ilaw ng tahanan, ang asawa ni Sir Raul. Let's walk it for Sino? Ariya siya. Inalala ko eh. Baka magkamali ulit ako. Nako, hala tayo niyan. Ayun, napaganda talaga ni Mamaya siya.
Congratulations! Thank you for inviting us. I hope to have a safe delivery baby girl. And congrats for your growing family. More babies.
Sa susunod na ng gender, ang wish mo?
Hoy!
Tingin sa mga ngayon siya, ito na naman. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's now together for Sir Carl naman tayo. Para boss. Sir Carl, ang nag-iisang pambus.
Jeff, Tisha, congratulations sa inyo. More blessings.
Mayor na mayor eh.
God bless sa inyo, soon to be more blessings. Thank you, sir. Congratulations.
Parang mayor na mayor ah. Mayor.
Naman, parang mga binata, no? Sa susunod na election, may boto na lang circle no, for president position. Sa susunod na halalan, may boto na lang po si Sir Carl for the president position. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward for the message and wish from our guest, let's welcome for Ma'am Leslie.
Congratulations. We know that you've been waiting for this, and congrats to your growing family. I wish that you will have a safe delivery and a healthy baby girl. And welcome to
Welcome to the family.
welcome to Kuya Tan. Thank you for inviting us.
Alright, thank you so much. Hindi na tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Halika na dito sa harapan. Miss Gladys, Mrs. Gladys Lee. Hanggang ngayon, naghihiyak pa rin hanggang ngayon. Eto na talaga. Moving on, we're gonna have hearing from Miss Kate. Miss Kate. Okay, gawin ko mga message.
Ma'am and Jem. Thank you very much for inviting. Nag-enjoy kami. Congratulations. And syempre, ang wish ko is healthy baby, safe delivery. Doon na lahat yun. Galingan mo sa pag-ibig.
Ang kasampol ng pag-irit ano?
Ayun, sunod yun.
Kasi talaga, nagmamadali pala si Ma'am Kate lang. Eto, may tanong mo para kay Ma'am Kate. Gaano mo kamahal si Sir Michael from out of 10? High score. Anong score? Gaano mo kamahal si Sir Michael? 4 Ang sweet naman yung mga kuya at auntie. Pagpalain tawa kayo. Eto na talaga! Moving forward with our next guest. Ano ba ang po naka-blue? Jesus. Sir Jesus.
Ano, magbuubat? Ano, ano?
Tapos susunod natin si Ma'am. Ano ba pangalan nila? Kayo po. Jerry. Sure, message na po. Hindi na po palaro.
First of all, congratulations and thank you for inviting us. Hindi na ako sa ng mga handa kasi wala pa po na. Basta mabubuhay ka. I-recommend sa video. At least stage and multivitamins lang yun.
Parang may binubulong sa sila. Ano daw yun? Multivitamins. Para marami ng energy. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Jesus, for the thoughtful message for our couple. Let's move on with Ma'am na nakalibig you. Neri. Neri, asawa ni ano? Neri.
Congratulations first of all to both of you, and gaya ng sabi nila, welcome to parenthood. Though we don't have experience in just Portland, but we know that will be a good and loving parents for your baby girl. And we pray and grateful na pinagkaloob sa inyo ni Lord yung magandang blessing. And we will continue to pray for your safe delivery and for the abundance of blessing na ibibigay sa inyo. Patience lang, I know that in the beginning it will be difficult for both of you, but if you work together, like what they said, so for anything it will be okay. Thank you.
Naman, ng message ni Madam. Thanks so much, ma'am, for the photo message. Okay. Tawagin naman natin ng pansin ang ka-eagle ni Sir. Yung isa naka-green mo na doon. Ka-eagles. Ano pa naman siya?
Congrats sa ating ulihan. Magiging ba ang agila? Ayun, ako sa inyo dalawa.
Thank you, sir. Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Eagle. Sorry. Another eagle from Eagles Group. Halika na dito, sir. Ay, sorry. Pagkatama ko yata siya. Ito ang po niyo. Oo. Baka mamaya na ano. Ayun na, kuya. Kuya, may tanong ko sa iyo. Kuya, ano pangalan mo una? Ano pangalan mo? Kenneth. Sino best friend mo doon? Ay, sino? Sige.
Maraming salamat sa pag-invite, Kuya, at Ate Pat. Safe deliver lang para kay baby at saka kay Ate Pat. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Ay! Isa na namang bata ko na nawawala lost and found. Maraming salamat sa mga ibon. Ay, sorry, sa mga agila. Ibon di ba? Okay! Another friend will be called on here in front for your wish and message for our couple. Halika na dito na. Pinakaupo. At Kate. Oo.
Jeff, Tisha, congratulations, baby girl. Walang kamali, ikaw talaga siya. Yay! Ayun, bilang nagkaroon ng 2 kids, maganda na kayo sa buyatan. At Jeff, bigyan mo ng sobrang pagmamahal si Tisha after the delivery. Okay?
Alam pa ka!
Okay?
Pagmamahal, umaabot din dito.
Safe delivery, healthy baby and mommy, okay? Hey, Jeff, okay yan si Trisha.
Ito na talaga, ako ay nilapit na lang sa ating mga bisita. Alam niyo alam ang mga pangalan nila. Ito na. Ano ba pangalan nila? Mars? Maris, Rakal. I will touch myself on the lap. Charot lang. Maring Maris or Mrs. Maris, what will be your message for our couple?
Jeff and Trisha, first of all, congratulations. Congratulations for the baby girl. Yeah, so have a successful and normal delivery. Yun nga, sabi nga ni Kate, mas mahalin mo pa si after delivery. Marami pang kuya yung pagdadaanan ng after. And sobrang hirap, but as long as you have each other, magiging madali naman. So, yun na.
Thank you so much, Miss Maris Raval. I will touch myself on the lap. Charot. Ito na talaga ang mga haligi ng tahanan. Ngayon, naging ilaw ng tahanan. Hawakan ko ang mikropono para sa kanilang dalawa. Pangunahan mo na, Sir, ang pangalan nila. Mark. Sir Mark, your wish and message for our couple. Yes, sir, Mrs. Bukian.
Jeff and Trisha, congratulations. Wish ko lang kay Trisha. Safe delivery and healthy baby. And huwag kalimutan na mag-pray. And welcome to the club. Congratulations.
Sir, anong klaseng club?
Parenthood.
Parenthood. Anyway, thank you so much, Sir Mark. Jason, what will be your wish? Take it away.
And congratulations. Thank you for having us here to be, part of your one of the most memorable experience you will have. And hopefully you will enjoy being a parent. And we congratulate you, Jeff. One of the genuine person I know. And we're so happy. Honestly, when we know the news, when we heard the news, we were surprised. I know we've been waiting for this for some time. So congratulations. It's not always rainbows and butterflies, but you can make it. I know that. And I know she shows me right over. Congratulations and enjoy parenthood. Love you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again JM, Mark, and Jason. And now, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, bibigyan natin ng chance na ibigay ang kanyang mensahe. Wonderful message for our lovely couple. Take it away, Sir Kevin.
Kay Jeff and Ate Pat, congratulations. Wish lang natin yung safe delivery and healthy baby. Salamat din sa pag-invite sa
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bigyan niyo ako ng masigabong palakpakan at malakas na higaan for my message. Once again, congratulations to our love couple, Mr. and Mrs. Buhian, Jeff and Ate Patricia. All of which for both you guys. Enjoy. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. Kaya ko ng message nila. Welcome to the parenthood. I hope you will enjoy your being parenthood sooner or later. And then sana maging successful yung delivery will be a normal delivery for mommy or mom of Patricia. And for Kuya Jeff, sana huwag magbago. Stay what you are. Be humble. Stay humble. And then for Kuya Jeff, si Kuya Jeff, mamalit ito na kaibigan. Saan ba yun? Saan mo ito magbago? Tapos, si Kuya Jeff, makilala ko bilang totoong tao, generous. Walang masabi, walang magpintas. Napakabait. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. At kay Mama Patricia, sana madagdagan pa yung magiging niyo. Sana another boy naman masususunod nyo. Payag kayo? Payag kayo? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's sing all together. Congratulations, Mr. Gertie. 1, 2, 3, come on. Congratulations, Mr. Palakpakan naman dyan. To all the participants today for tonight's gender reveal and baby shower of our lovely couple honoring Mr. and Mrs. Buhian, Jeff and Patricia. Congratulations, it's a girl. Once again, this is your host for tonight. Host is Stanley. To all the persons who give them love and hand. Maraming salamat po. And the bless us all. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I have with me Mr. and Mrs. Buhian. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding tournament hosting? Take it away, Papa. Bakit binawi mo pa? Or Jeff?
The kickoff it was good, and we are really well entertained. So far it was smooth, so far so good. If you have any occasions and events, so you can contact Sir Stanley Santos for increase. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful message or feedback for me for my hosting. How about for you, Mama Patricia Buhian?
First of all, I want to say thank you, Stanley, for being our host. It was, you handled it very well. And I know not only the two of us enjoy of this party as well as all the friends and family. And if I'm going to rate him for his, I should say, performance, I would rate him like more than
Guyan, Jack, and Patricia sa bumisita. Magpapaalam po kami. Bye!